Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about camper and trailer tires. There are three main reasons I see blowouts. One is not taking care of the tire to begin with. Number two is incorrect tire pressure. Number three is driving too fast while towing, especially on the freeway. Today I'm going to go over protecting the tire, and one of the easiest ways to do it is actually put a tire protectant on it. This is what I'm going to use today. This is from a trusted brand, 303. This is both tire shine and protectant. Usually you either get one or the other. I like this because it looks great and protects the tire. First thing you're going to want to do is wash off the tire. You could use your hose for this. I'm going to use my little sprayer because it's portable and then I don't have to pull out the hose. It's going to do almost the same exact thing as the hose, just less pressure. Now that I've let the tire sit for about 10 minutes, it's mostly dry so we can apply the product. So here on the bottom, I'm going to go left to right. When I get on the sides, I'm going to go up and down, and you're just going to apply it evenly through the whole thing. So up and down on the sides, on the tops and bottoms, just go left to right. It just seems to be the best way to apply this. And again, make sure you get a nice even coat on there, and then you're just going to let it sit there for a couple of minutes after you apply it before you wipe it off. When you wipe it off, you're just going to use a soft microfiber towel and go around the whole thing. And while you're wiping, you don't have to worry about getting every single nook and cranny, just get as much as possible, and then once it dries, it'll look great. And this is what the tire looks like after it's fully dried. This is great because it's going to last for weeks, and it's going to protect it from the sun and look shiny. And you're going to be able to take this off-road, and there's not going to really be dust and stuff that sticks to it. Usually I can blow it off and it looks great again. I'm going to show you another tire that's had tire protectant on it for a couple weeks to compare. Here's one of my other trailer tires. This is after 2 weeks. As you can see, it is coming off a little bit at the top, but for the most part it's looking really good after even being used a couple times. This stuff's pretty durable. Just like that, your tire's protected. I will put a link to the product below. Thank you, and we'll see you all next time.